We bought it almost 6 years ago now. Of course, when you start to look into it, it was all full of rust and it was nasty. And I actually bought it for my wife.
Well, I always wanted an old truck. My deal was that to find somebody that would work with us, putting this thing back together and helping us, that didn't fight me on keeping it looking original, because most people want to chop those trucks and turn them into hot rods and all that kind of stuff, and I didn't want to do that. Searching for things and matching, actually designing the truck and getting the colors right and making everything look old and original it was fun. But
the response has just been off the hook by car people. One thing I found from you guys that I personally think topped the entire build-off, for me anyway, is you have a GM locking gas cap. When I saw that, I had to have it. And when people walk around, I show them a couple of small things that I think really make the build, and that's one of the last things I show them. And they're like, "Oh my God, that's cool. Where did you get that?" And, of course, I tell them where we got most of our parts, which honestly was from plastic. It's great to work with suppliers like you. Your folks have been great.